Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and welcome back to another new exciting video. And in this video we're going to take a look at the specifications and features of the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. Yes, these smartphones were recently announced in the event of the Huawei, and in this video we're going to take a look at the specifications of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this smartphone. Both of these devices have pretty much awesome design, and these devices come in three colors. The first one is the emerald green, and the second one is midnight blue, and the last is pink gold. And these all the colors are very attractive and shining, as it is made up of glass from both front and back sides, and it is also water resistant with IP68 up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. And next we have the display. The display size of this screen is 6.39 inches. Its resolution is 2K and it sports multi-touch. They also have the 538 pixels per inches density, and this screen is Super AMOLED display with curved Corning Gorilla Glass. This device will run on the latest version of Android 9 Pie and have the processor of high silicon Kirin 980 of 7nm processor, and GPU is Mali G76 MP10. And the Kirin 980 will help you to launch app faster, will optimize the gaming performance and also the device performance in doing all that stuff. Next, if we talk about the memory card and SIM card slot, it will support nanometer card and one SIM card, and the internal storage is 128 gigabytes with 6 gigabytes of RAM. And the cameras of these smartphones, this is the main thing of Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. These devices comes with 3 camera setup at the back and the 1 camera setup at the front. These 3 cameras are set up in the middle at the back of phone, and it's pretty much awesome. So now let's talk about the sensors of these 3 cameras. The first camera is of 40 megapixel sensor with 1.8 aperture, and this sensor is wide. And the second camera has sensor of 20 megapixel with 2.2 aperture, and this one is ultra wide. And the third one is 8 megapixel with 2.4 aperture, and this lens is telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. And the back camera supports 2K resolution video recording. And then at the front we have the selfie camera of 24 megapixel with 2.0 aperture, and it can record full HD 1080p videos. After that we have in-display fingerprint sensor in Mate 20 Pro, while Mate 20 non-Pro has the fingerprint sensor at the back side, not in display, while Mate 20 Pro has this sensor in display. And the Mate 20 Pro also supports wireless charging. And the one thing that Huawei has done, I have never seen before in any other smartphone, is that by stepping up forward is by implementing an reverse wireless charging feature in Mate 20 Pro. Yes, Mate 20 Pro has reverse wireless charging feature that will allow any other smartphone that will support wireless charging to charge by itself, and you will just need to put any smartphone that you want to charge on the Mate 20 Pro, and Mate 20 Pro automatically starts charging the other smartphone. And the Mate 20 Pro comes with 4200 mAh battery, while Mate 20 non-Pro have the battery of 4000 mAh. And yes, another thing that Mate 20 Pro will have the notch like iPhone X, and it will be a greater notch, and the Mate 20 non-Pro will have the notch like Oppo F9 Dewdrop notch. And that was the video on specifications and key features of Huawei Mate 20 Pro and Mate 20 non-Pro. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.